Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is for all of my Sony ZV1 users out there. If you own a Sony ZV1, you're gonna want to check this out. So first, most of you have to know by now that the Sony ZV1 doesn't really have the widest angle of lenses. I mean, especially if you're vlogging, you really have to hold your arm out pretty far to be able to capture, a good amount of yourself when talking to the camera. I mean, you can always use a small handheld tripod like this, which does make it easier to hold. But even when using a small handheld tripod like this, you still have to hold your arm out pretty far, like I said, to capture a good amount of yourself when talking to the camera. Well, today I kind of got a little fix for that. Now you're probably thinking, well, what are you talking about? Because the camera doesn't really give us an option to add on any additional lenses. There's nothing on the camera to be able to do that. Well, today I got a fix for that. This right here, this is the Ulanzi, I don't know. I don't really know if I'm pronouncing that right or not, but this is the Ulanzi WL1. This is an additional wide angle lens for your Sony ZV1. I actually got it right here. And it's not just one lens. This is actually two lenses in one. You got a wide angle lens right here on this side, and then the macro lens on this side. And it basically just kind of just twisted off just like that. Takes a while. Let's see, almost there. There we go. So we got the macro lens right here and the wide angle lens right here. Now, in order to use this wide angle lens, you do have to keep both of them together. I'm actually recording on the Sony ZV1 right now, so I'll show you guys how this works in a bit. Let me go ahead and take the cover off right here. Okay, so just real quick, I'm just gonna give you a little sample of how this is going to look. I've actually been using this for a while now on the past, couple of my videos, and it's actually been working really good. It doesn't disrupt the quality at all. The quality still looks really good. So check this out. I want you to take a look at my surroundings, especially this lamp right here, okay? You can only see about half the lamp. Right when I hold this up, check this out. Bam, now you can see the whole lamp in the background. You can see more of my keyboard. You can see more of me. I got more headspace. Boom. 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 Now look at this. You're probably thinking, well, how does it stay on the camera? Because I'm pretty much just holding it up to there. So let me go ahead and put it on permanently. It just kind of twists on just like that. Look at that, and it's on. See that? I'm just twisting it on, and boom. Easy as that. Now I got an even wider space right here on the camera. I don't have to have the camera so far anymore. If I wanted to, I can move the camera closer. Let's see. There we go. See, I can move the camera a lot closer now. That way the mic picks up my voice a lot better as well. And I'm only about, maybe this is about 2 feet away from me, maybe less, I don't know. The camera is pretty close to me. I don't have to put it as far, and I'm just looking right here at the viewfinder. I know I keep looking to the side. I want to make sure I'm in frame, but look at how much wider that gets. Now, the way this works, let me go ahead and open up the box here really quick. You got your user manual basically showing you how it works, and then you get this little bag of things. You know what, let me go ahead, push it back just a little bit more. There we go. So you have these little pieces of, they basically look like little pieces of paper that come in this bag, and then you get this little cloth right there to be able to clean the lens. If you happen to get any fingerprints on it, or if you start seeing dust or anything like that, it does allow you to clean the lens. But what these little stickers are right here is an adhesive. So there's actually a third part to the lens that I've already attached to the camera itself, and you don't ever have to take that off. I mean, you can if you want, but it doesn't add any bulk at all. What that does is it allows you to attach the lens and take it off. So you don't have to keep the lens on there all the time if you really don't want to, especially when you're traveling. Maybe you want to just have, the camera in your pocket because it is small enough to put in your pocket. You can be able to do that by taking the lens off. And you can always take that part with the adhesive off too if you really want to. I mean, it stays on there nice and tight. It stays on there nice and secure, so you don't have to worry about the lens falling off when using it, but you are also able to still remove it. And that's why they give us these little papers right here with extra adhesive for when you want to put that back on the camera. But what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and switch over to my phone right here. I'm gonna start recording with my phone so I can actually show you what it looks like, how to take it off, how to put it on. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so this is my setup that I got going on right here. And if there's anything that you see in this video that you find yourself interested in, I'll make sure to have links down in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And please excuse the mess I have here in the background. Currently in a hotel room right here, as you can see. Can't really say why yet. I actually have some very big news, which I will be announcing soon. I'm just out of town right now in a hotel room with a big mess right there on the side. But we are here to look at the Sony ZV1. So let me show you what it looks like. Let me go ahead and turn the camera off. So you can see it's going to go back in. So as you can see, even with the camera off, this extra lens still stays on the camera itself. If I want to take it off, all I got to do is just screw it off. There we go. Let me put this over to the side for now. And look at this. So this probably doesn't look familiar to you because this doesn't come on the camera. This little piece right here, let me see, you can probably see it better if I turn the camera on. Look at it. So this little piece right here is actually stuck on there with that adhesive that I was showing you with one of these little stickers right here. Now, it does come with adhesive already on it out of the box, but like I said, if you do happen to remove it, you can always put on more adhesive and it stays on there nice and secure. I mean, it is not falling off, especially with this lens right here. I mean, you would think with the lens being this size, it looks kind of heavy for the ZV1, but it actually stays on there really, really good. Look at that. You're not gonna have to have any worries about this falling off. Stays on there nice and secure. And like I said, if you turn it off, boom, still stays on there nice and secure. It even comes with a little cover. So if you don't wanna get that lens dirty, you can just put that cover on there and boom. So yeah, I mean, definitely very, very cool to have on this camera right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and we'll go ahead and go outside, maybe, you know, do a little vlog style video so you can see what it's going to be like if you decide to use this when vlogging. All right, so I got my shoes on, got my mask, just in case we run into anybody else while outside. I don't want to take any chances, but look at this, just right here. I'm not even holding my arm fully extended out. I'm still able to get a good amount of myself in frame. And then if I really extend my arm out, I mean, I can get a whole lot more. So definitely very impressive, but let's go ahead and head outside. Let me put my mask on here. We're gonna go ahead and head outside and just kind of do a little vlog style video. Plus, I wanna show you guys what my view looks like because the view is absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and head over there. Do I need to lock that? I don't think I need to lock that. There's not really a whole lot of people here anyways, but here we go. Just doing a little vlog style video for all of you vloggers out there. Like I said, I'm not even fully extending my arm right here. Just capturing a whole lot more in the frame without killing your arm. So I'm definitely loving this lens, but look at this view. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Can't complain. I cannot complain. Look at that. So definitely got a beautiful view here going on. I love walking out here. I've been here for a few days already, and I always got to come out here and just enjoy this view. I actually saw a dolphin the other day, which is pretty amazing because I've never actually seen a dolphin like that, and you know, in person, just swimming around out here, just kind of enjoying itself. So very, very cool. Got some ducks out there. You know, you got boats just kind of going around. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of the quality as well? Like I said, it doesn't disrupt the quality. I mean, the quality still looks great, at least in my opinion. It doesn't change the quality at all. It just gives you a wider angle, which I think looks great. But you know what, real quick, I got a little bit of flowers right here. Let's go ahead and check out that macro lens. So all I got to do is just screw off the front part and then we'll get access to that macro lens. All right, so checking out the macro lens right here, you can see it is very blurry. It's not until you put an object very, very close to the lens where it'll capture it in great detail. Look at that. So this is the wide angle lens that I have right here in hand. Let's go ahead and check out some flowers right here. Let me get really, really close. Look at that. Great detail in these flowers, and I am really, really close. Not bad at all, at least in my opinion. I think it's looking really, really good. Let's get the green leaves. Not bad, not bad. Let me go and throw the wide angle lens back on. Okay, so I got the wide angle lens back on, and another cool thing about this lens is that you can actually still zoom out. Let me zoom out all the way. There we go. Now, most of you probably already know that you can't zoom out super far on this camera right here, but the fact that you can still get some good zoom footage with the wide angle lens without having to take it off is still pretty cool. Get one more look of my view right here. Except for this gate, nobody needs to see that. Beautiful in the Long Beach, California. And we got the hotel back here. Very, very nice. But let's go ahead and head back inside. Alright, so there you have it, the wide angle slash macro lens for the Sony ZV1. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. I wish I could really go more fully in depth with this, but you know, I'm not really a camera guy. I don't really know too much about cameras, but I hope this video was able to help you guys out at least a little bit in deciding in whether or not maybe you should get this wide angle lens for yourself or not. When it comes to the macro lens, I still think it's really good, but when it comes to video, I probably won't be using this for video or anything like that. But when it comes to pictures, this can really come in handy when you really want to get those close shots and really get some good detail in there. But like I said, y'all let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you so very much for watching. Leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Like I said, if you find yourself interested in anything that you saw in this video, I'll make sure to drop some links down in the description below. But again, thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.